Once the primer coat is in place and it's ready, the next step is to put your self-leveling screed. And before you put your self-leveling screed, you need to make sure that you've got the necessary tools in place before the pulling of the screed starts. You need to have your spike shoes, you need to have your rack, you need to have your spike roller, you need to have your mixing bin, you need to have an extension just to make sure that you've got the power very close to where you're screeding, and most importantly, you need to have your mixer. So those are the necessary tools that you need to have before you start your screeding. And the other thing as well that you need to make sure that it's put in place, people are working in teams and they know exactly who is doing what.